So I was trying to turn off the blue circle icon of notifications because when I am in a focus session like for an hour, I just want to be interrupted if it's a really important notification like a red circle notification, like a direct mass mention or something like that. And the blue circle was bothering me, so I tried to turn off by Slack settings, but I didn't find anything. But I found this question on Stack Exchange. And this first solution doesn't work for me. I don't know if it's my Ubuntu version, Slack version, or something. But this solution kinda worked. This guy, no, right here, Yelmir Berkivorik. Sorry, I don't know how to pronounce probably Russian name. Um, so basically, in this code kind of worked for me. I needed to do some changes because this logic doesn't exist anymore, and the main file was renamed. But this is my version, and I will put in the description of the video if you want to try. And now I'm going to explain more about all these commands, and probably and maybe if you try to run these commands, maybe you will have some problems, and I can try to explain how to solve it right now. So basically, in this place, I am creating a Slack backup folder, and right here I'm copying. This is the first problem that you may have. This is my path to my Slack. So you need to verify where your Slack is installed. Maybe if you go to user lib Slack, maybe some path, some folders are different, but you need to verify. Usually is this path. But okay, I am copying the app Azar. This is the packet Slack app. So I'm copying this guy, making a backup right here, because maybe you do something wrong or something like that, and you need to recover the Slack backup. And so this is important. The same thing for the unpacked. And then I installed npm. Why? Because I needed to install Azar after. Why? Because I need to extract the Electron Slack app. So yeah, here I created a temp Slack to contains my extracted app. Right here I'm extracting the app to the folder I created before. Then I am removing the app from Slack because we are going to change this guy, and then packing and placing in the place of this guy. And I'm removing the unpacked. I don't know why it's necessary this part. It's probably because the app Azar, it will be different. Like when I change the app Azar, it will be different than unpacked, so probably that. But after removing this guy, I didn't need it to have an unpacked Azar in the folder. It worked for me without. But yeah, removing. But no problem because this guy has a backup in temp Slack backup. All these commands you can use on whatever folder you are. Like for example, I can execute these commands on home folder, no problem at all. And okay, moving to the next one. This guy turned off the red, the blue notifications, and this guy the red dot notifications. I want to keep it, but if you want to turn off, it's this command that is commented. And then I repack the modified Slack files back into app as our archive. Okay, also this command is wrong. Give me a second. So I just fixed this command that was wrong, but it's working right now. Okay, and after that I repack the modified Slack and do my things. Okay, so first thing that I want to show you guys, it's about the first solution. It's right here. So the first solution was about to change the icons, but it's not working. I don't know exactly why, because the code is using this guy right here, Slack taskbar, and then verify which, if is highlight, rest, or unread, and then mount the name of the file in resources. But it's not working. I don't know why, but not working. So move on to my modification. Right here, I tried to find this guy right here. Read highlights, but I didn't find because it doesn't exist anymore. But there is this guy right here. You have right here. You have unread highlight, notifications, and you have unread messages. So what I did, I changed this guy to t lower than 0. Before it was t higher than 0. And if you want to, this is for blue notifications, yeah. And if you want to have no red notifications as well, you need to change this guy I lower than 0. Okay, but we are not going to change this guy by hand. I just made that script to do that for us. And let's go, because you probably will need to run this script after a Slack update, so it's better if you have a script. Yeah, at least it was fun to do it. So moving on, I will run this guy. I already have this guy, so I will not run. I have all the Slack backup and the other Slack backup. I installed npm, installed Azure, so I created the Slack in the temp. So let's extract the app Azure to the Slack app. Okay, and then remove the app Azure from Slack. Remove the unpack it. It's not I already deleted, so I will not execute that. And this guy, it will turn off the blue notifications. So basically, this command, it will replace. It's a regex, so it will replace this between the slashes for this between the other slashes. This is for globally, to not the first result, but works globally. And this guy is I don't remember. So okay, doing that, we are going to replace the t higher 0, t lower 0, and it will work. Here you need to verify if the path is correct. We can see that the modification right here, t lower than 0, and if you want to run, I will run just to show you guys, but I want to keep the red notifications. But this guy, and it changed it, I lower than 0. Okay, and then we need to pack the Slack app to his place. Okay, and magic, no notifications. I have blue notifications, and I mark it as unread a message right here, and I have red notifications right here and blue notifications right here, and none of notifications are appearing in the Slack. So I will just back my red notifications because I want it. So basically, we are going to do this command at reverse. So we are going to find I lower than 0 and return and replace by I higher than 0. And doing that, we can see here I higher than 0. And then we are going to pack again. And open the Slack to see if it's working. So yeah, now I have my red notifications back again. I will mark as read and no blue notifications. And if I want my blue notifications back, I just do the reverse of this command. Same thing. Just to be sure it's working. Oh shit. Yeah, I think that's right. And back again. Close this guy. Open again. And that's working. That's fun. And back again because I want to keep that way. Back again, and that's right. So this is the explanation of all this script. Maybe after a Slack update, you will need to change. To change, no, sorry. You will need to run this guy again. But yeah, special thanks for Elmir Bekirovic that gave the first idea. And that's it. I will put my answer in this forum as well, and the link in the video description too. So that's it.